Hey, welcome to my recipe mini album that I want to share with you guys that I made. And you can purchase the tutorial, and so you can make it for yourself as well. So, welcome, welcome. All right, I made this probably about a couple months ago, and I'm just now getting to where I'm sharing it with you. This I did decorate it with the beautiful 12 by 12 collection kit from Simple Stories. What's cooking? And then we had some like 5 extra sheets, and then we had, I think, 8, might have been 10 pieces of the color vibe cardstock to color coordinate with it. But oh my gosh, it turned out so wonderful. So there's that. This is the front and the spine. There's the back. And this album does measure 8.5 by 9.5, and it has 4 pages in it. And it does use the Kathy Orta King's Hidden Plus system, or Hidden Plus Hinge system. Okay, but oh my gosh, it's wonderful. So you open it up, and then we have a nice place here for recipe cards, and then a belly band. Okay, and I just grabbed recipe cards and used the stickers from the collection. We had a sticker book and then some rub-ons. And then this opens up, and you have a pocket here for some more recipe cards. Then here you have a belly band. And these hold, when we done it, I stuck a bunch of cards underneath and then matted. So that way we could put, 6 to 10 recipe cards underneath the belly band. And again, they're just decorated with stickers. Okay. And then that opens up. We have a nice big pocket here. Okay. And it holds the bigger recipe cards. And this is one of the rub-ons from the collection. And again, that's some rub-ons. That just goes there, and then this flips open. And then you have recipe cards here as well. So lots of room. I bet this thing is probably going to hold well over 200 recipe cards. Now, some of the recipe cards I made interactive. We scored, half an inch and attached it. So that way, sometimes you just can't get a recipe, all on your smaller cards. So I made some of them interactive. And they just slide right back there. And nice place for a photograph. Oops, I probably should put these. But, oh, this album turned out so cute. And it will hold so many of your recipe cards. So then here you have a pocket and a pocket. So you could put recipe cards in there as well. And then that flips open, and you have a place here. And you have pockets here and here. And here again is some more interactive. This time it flips up instead of to the side. This one flips open to the other side. Then this opens, and then you have a huge pocket here. For some of those recipes that you tear out of magazines or you haven't, copied off yet. Here's another one. Now, this one opens up 3 times. Ain't that pretty neat? So, lots you can do with those. Okay. And then this opens up, and you have this. And again, pocket, pocket. All 4 pages are constructed the same. Okay. So it comes together, fairly fast. And then that opens up. And again, pocket here, pocket here, pocket here. And then I made these here. You could put a pocket here to hold more, but I wanted the place to put some photographs. So that's where I chose to put my photographs. Now here's a recipe card that's done on a big recipe card with the little recipe cards. Now ain't that pretty sweet? You could journal in this. You can write recipes. But ain't that neat? That just fits right in this pocket. And then this flips open and pocket, pocket, pocket. Let's see, this is, yep, this is another one. And you could even put photographs on here and, instead of writing recipes, put photographs. Just another way of doing something. And then we have our nice big pocket in here. Here is another interactive one. So you can put a photo here. Tell a story. Oh, this thing. And then again, designated photographs. Okay. And this opens up again. Pocket, 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 pocket. Oh, it turned out so cute. And you got a nice big pocket here. And again, your photographs. And pocket, pocket, pocket. This thing is just full of pockets. By the time you get done with this, you will be a pro at making pockets, let me tell you. Again, another interactive one. You can put a photograph here, recipe, It was fun playing around with this sticker book, making all these cute recipe cards. Beautiful. And then this opens up again for some more pockets. And then this opens up again for some nice big pockets. Again, another interactive one. And I just used washi tape to decorate that one. And then this one here is kind of like a gatefold one. So you can put a picture here, or journal about the recipe. Okay. Lots of options. And another thing, when you purchase this tutorial, I did do a 8.5 and 11 binder. So you can either make the recipe mini album or the 8.5 by 11 binder album. And I am working on an album that only has, instead of having 4 pages, it has 2 pages, and it is not geared toward recipe. And I'm using the Love Story collection from Simple Stories to decorate it. So that's coming really soon. So again, open up, pocket, pocket, pocket. Another, oh, I didn't decorate that. Ah, I always forget something. Do you guys do that too? Forget to decorate something? I always do. My gosh. So you have a belly band, a pocket, another pocket, another double belly band here. So if you don't want to make the recipe album one, or you don't want to make it this big, you do have the option of doing 2 pages, okay? And that will be included with this tutorial too. You'll get all 3 albums with that, okay? So that is my recipe album. I hope you will want to purchase it and be able to make it for yourself. So yay. So let me know what you think about it in the comments. I would love to hear what you think about it. All right. As always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.